Canvas. Imported. Versatile. Pop the utility tote up and use it as an organizer for work accessories, toss in containers of food and a blanket for a picnic at the beach or park, or keep in the car and use as your new go-to grocery bag. Collapsible. The foldable design makes these the perfect travel tote, laundry holder, or gift for a teacher. Simply collapse the tote down when not in use and stow just about anywhere. Reusable. These baskets are a great solution for shopping as well as at-home storage. Say goodbye to flimsy paper and plastic bags that just end up in the trash. Easy carry. 2 long straps make this large bag comfortable for one-handed toting as you go about your day. The inside zipper pocket is perfect for holding your valuables while you run errands. Dimensions 30L SnapBasket 18L x 11.5 W by 11.25 H when open and folds flat to less than 2 when collapsed. Total weight is 1.25 pounds and the carry capacity is 30 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Add to cart, trust me. This bag is so good I immediately bought a replacement when mine was stolen from my car. I love that you can carry. Use it in the store instead of their green plastic ones that always seem to have banana stickers stuck inside them. Maybe develop better adhesive banana industry? And if germs are a consideration for you, this basket an extra level of comfort. It's also so much easier to pack your groceries into than the traditional reusable grocery totes you likely have in your car, that you forget to bring into the store, so they just keep multiplying in the kitchen because you buy new ones and also forget to take them back out to the car. Tell me I'm wrong, I'll wait. This basket, you won't forget to bring into the store. And you'll proudly place it near your front door after you unpack your groceries to take back to the car the next time you leave the house. It feels good, it looks good, it works well. The only negative is that it holds a ton, so it might be heavy for some if you're like me and think you're only going to grab a few things at the store but end up leaving with 30 pounds. Food and wine. You know what, maybe buy 2. Just in case.